why we should celebrate Navaratri festival. Navaratri is a Hindu festival that spans of 9 nights and is celebrated every year in autumn. Each year on each day of Navaratri or incarnation of goddesses Durga is worshipped to celebrate the day of her victory over Mahishasura and the ultimate victory of God over evil. The 9 forms of Durga or Parvati on the 9 days as follows. The first day is Shailaputri. Here the Mata is wearing orange colored dress. It signifies the energy and happiness. The second day of the Navaratri is Brahmacharini. Here the goddesses wear white dress. It indicates peace and the purity. The third day followed by Chandraghanta, which having a red colored dress, it indicates beauty and fearlessness. The fourth day of Durga Ma will be Pushpanda. It is having the color royal blue, which indicates good for health and wealth. The fifth day of the Ma is Skandamata, which is in the color of yellow, which indicates green color dress. The green color represents the beginnings and growth. The seventh day is Kalaratri. She is having a grey color dress and it indicates strength of transforming. The eighth day is Mahagauri, which is having a purple color and it indicates power of intelligence and peace. The ninth day is the last day of Navaratri. She will be Siddhidatri and her dress is peacock green. It signifies fulfill the desires of devotees. Northeast celebrate this day as the victory of Ma Durga. Hence this day we are going to celebrate as a Durga Puja. Thank you.
Hi dear students, welcome to this Early Foundation International School. Today we are celebrating Navaratri festival. So I would say few sentences about the Dasara festival. Dasara is also called as Dasara or Vijayadashmi, marking the tribute of Rama on avatar of Vishnu over 10-headed demon king Ravana, who abducted Rama's wife Sita. The festival name is derived from the Sanskrit word Dasha. Dasha means 10 and Hara means defeat, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Dasara is celebrated on the 10th of the month of Avinasha, the 7th month of Hindu calendar, with the appearance of full moon and event called the bright fortnight. Dasara coincides with the culmination of the 9th day of Navaratri festival and with the 10th day of the Durga Puja festival. For many, it marks the beginning of preparation for Diwali, which occurs 20 days after Dasara. Dasara is celebrated with great favor and fanfare in North India. It incorporates Rama Leela, a gala theoretical enactment of Rama's life story. Effigies of Ravana, often along with those of Megandha and Kumbhakarna, are suffered with firecrackers and set ablaze at night in open fields. Early in Karnataka state, the ruling is done by Maharajas. Hence, on this Dasara, we can also see Maharaja's Darbar in Mysore Palace. Significance of Pattada Bombe, royal dolls and Alankara means decoration. Many households have customs of arranging dolls during Dasara festival in Mysore. Thank you.
Happy Dasara from EFI School. All my dear students and my dear parents.